In this video, I am going to show you how to convert currency in Excel. First, here is the formula you will use to convert currency in Excel. All you need to do is create 3 columns called dollars, exchange rate, and value in euro. After you've set that up, open your browser and type in dollar to euro exchange, or use the currency you listed in the column earlier. When you find the current exchange rate, which is 0.88 in this example, go ahead and copy it. Then return to the Excel app and either type it into the exchange rate column or paste it there. Next, type in the formula. It will be $A2 multiplied by $B $2. After that, press enter and drag the fill handle down. As you can see, you can now drag the formula across the columns and you will see the value in euro. Now, I will also show you how to convert any currency automatically in Excel by using a web page that provides live currency data. So let's get started with that. First, make sure you are on the Data tab. Then on the left side, click on Get Data from Other Services, and after that, click on From Web. Once you are there, you will either type in the URL manually or copy it from a live currency web page like the one shown here, and then paste the URL into the box. After pasting it, go ahead and click on OK and give it a moment to load the data for you. Once it loads, choose the option for live currency rates and click on Load. After that, give it another moment and it will open up in a new sheet. As you can see, these are the live currency rates. They will continue to update automatically without you needing to do anything. Now go to the sheet where you want to apply the conversion. Select the column where you want the conversion, then type in this formula =, select A4, and then type in the word asterisk to multiply. After that, go back to the live currency rate, select the right one, and press enter. As you can see, the conversion is now applied automatically. This example used the United States dollar currency rate. So that wraps up this easy and quick tutorial. As always, thank you for watching.